So the first 2 years,
clinicals, then a third year of externship,
yes.
and then just little regular stuff.
Yep. So your first year, let me ask you a question. Are you looking to work in a podiatrist office? 'Cause I can get you a job.
Yes. What type of podiatrist is it? Is it limb salvage?
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah.
Limb salvage? What is that?
So-
Like a garbage man?
No. It's people with diabetes.
He does everything, this guy. He is actually, this would be a really good guy to learn from, because this is a guy that's selling his practice, and he has a buyer who is a surgeon. So what he does is, one guy does home podiatry, like he'll go to your home and do podiatry, and the other person is a surgeon. So I think that's a really, really good experience for, just to let you know, you're in Queens. So if you ever want to do an externship with someone, you let me know, and I'll get you that job. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Because an externship is, it's really important.
Let me move out of the way of the video.
Oh, yeah, okay. No problem.
So you can have more.
It's no problem. The whole room, the whole table. Because the table slides, that's why. Good. The whole table slides. Inhala, por favor. Expira para afuera. Gracias. Good. Otra vez, inhala. Y afuera. Gracias. Good. Bueno. Entonces vamos a estar aquí de lado mirando la ventana. Okay. Good. Las manos aquí. Gracias. La pierna aquí. Good. Ok, vamos a cortar el otro lado. Aquí. ¡Upa!
Ay, sorry, no lo vi.
Está bien.
Con los ojos cerrados.
No, está bien, está bien. No, aquí. Good. No, todo bien. A ver, tengo un chichón en mi cabeza, pero está bien, no hay problema. Un chichoncito. Right? Ok, inhala profundo, por favor. Afuera, gracias. Ahí. Ahí, good. Vamos a estar boca arriba ahora. Boca arriba. Gracias. Aquí. Ahora, una pierna aquí. Gracias. Relaja un poquito. Gracias.
You're the last one. No, no.
Relaja un poquito, man, gracias. Ahí.
Oh.
Bueno. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Todo bien? ¿Bien?
Sí.
Tres aquí, las piernas aquí. Bueno, déjenle el movimiento aquí en el cuello. Ok, gracias. A la izquierda. Good, a la derecha. Good. Perfectamente. Perfect. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.